Everybody, this is Chris with Wells Communications. We're just finishing up a 2016 Tahoe Chiefs vehicle here for a local department. Got some new products here. We'll give you a quick overview and get a little further in depth afterwards. In the front, we've got the new Whelen Illumigrille setup. Also, factory integrated LEDs in the headlights with a sound off flasher unit. Liberty 2 light bar with arrow stick functions. 2 light dominators in the back windows for side clearance. In the back, we've got a combination here. We've got some Whelen lighting. We've got the inner edge. The factory taillights also have been integrated with the sound off setup. In the reverse lights, we've got the Phoenix Canon 360s. They're doubling as your reverse lights and your flashers. The inner edge also has arrow stick functions which match with the light bar. We'll get into that a little bit later. And we'll show you the interior as well. We have the Troy console. We're running a Suncom controller for the lighting and siren. Currently there's an E.F. Johnson radio in there that's going to be replaced with a new digital Motorola fairly soon. Scanner, OEM interface for USB, cigarette lighter. Also added a couple constant outlets as well. They've got the magnetic mic clip for easy access on E.F. Johnson, as well as the iPad mount. We'll run the passenger side of it if I can get a shot. You see we've got an extra cigarette lighter plug for the iPad charger, as well as some outlets that extend from the factory inverter. Okay, here we are at the back of the vehicle. We've got the tailgate up with some flush mount ions in there for rear warning when the back of the light bar is blocked. Also known as the tail lights, we've got factory lighting adapted in to double as LED flashers. It's a sound off signal unit running the outer tail lights. As far as the reverse lights, we're using the Phoenix Canon 360s. With the blue and white flash, they also double as your reverse lights with an override wire. Inside, we're using the original 07 console transferred right into this vehicle. The dimensions are pretty close. And we got some cigarette lighter adapters, E.F. Johnson radio, which spoke before, it's going to be replaced with a Motorola Apex fairly soon. Flashlight charger, and the magnetic mic mount. From Whelen, we have the Illumigrille here. It's basically using the ion lights as well as a couple of their square spots on the outside. There's also a flasher unit that comes with it to flash your spot lamps as well. Just a note to anybody looking to put this in, you do have to cut the actual factory grill out to install this unit. You have to hack it out of the original housing. There's your reds and your whites. They do have a dim function on them if needed as well. And then you've got a spot lamp here as well that combines with the takedowns on the light bar for scene lighting. We also have the flasher units hooked up to the original factory LED strips. That's a sound off signal product there. The new inner edge at the back window combined with the light bar. So it gives you flasher functions as well as arrow stick functions. So switch over here to a left sweep. And get your right sweep. And the center out. And back to just normal flash. There's a little bit of a nighttime walk around.